Hi guys, welcome back to Love Budgeting Co. and I am Marie. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. If you're new here, I am Marie. I live on a small island of Puerto Rico. I am a single mom of a little boy, and I do have a shop where I sell savings challenges and scratch off savings challenges. It's lovebudgetingco.com, www.lovebudgetingco.com. These are new products. I also do here cash stuffings, and now I'm doing the mini games, so check that out. I also did a recent video of how I make my small income online, so you guys can check that out as well. I also have a coffee shop, and I sell there the colored savings challenges that you can print out at home. You can print out at your local library for free, at your job. Shh, we won't tell anyone. Just, you can print them out wherever you can, and they're always there, so you can print them out as many times as you want. Also, you can go into my coffee membership. This month we put out the When Life Gives You Lemons Just Smile. It's a yearly savings challenges, which means you get 12 A6 trackers, one for every month, as well as you get a dashboard and an envelope. The envelope, you can cut out both parts and laminate them, or cut out both parts and glue them on the sides, and there you have your little envelope. So that's free with the membership. You pay the monthly membership, and I'm always putting up a monthly savings challenge. That just happens to be this month, so you can take advantage of that. Now today we're going to be playing here Collect the Seashells. Hopefully it doesn't do us dirty, guys. Collect the Seashells is a A5 savings challenge that I created for us extremely low budgeters. I did not want to leave anyone out of the budgeting community, so I am doing the extremely low budgeting. So this goes anywhere from $1 to $3, right? Like today I have $1.25 to play. Like, don't do me dirty and give me an IOU. Also, this particular savings challenge game comes with the cards. So you do have these cards that tell you. Okay, yeah. So these cards. Ooh, guys, I haven't slept well. I have not slept well, and that is really affecting me to be able to film, guys. I filmed 3 videos today because I accidentally deleted my videos, and I feel super foggy, like, since the first video. It has nothing to do with it being like a lot of this. Like, I've been foggy since the first video because I have not been sleeping well. So excuse me if I make any errors in the videos that you guys have seen. So basically we have 1 card per slot. So like this one says 25 cents. So if I mark off the 25, then I have to take this one out, right? And that just has it's basically the money. This would be the money. Like, I don't have to have this here to play, because this would be my money for this. But whatever this tells me, then I do got to put it in cash. You know what I'm saying? But I'm letting you guys know that I got $1.25 here. So called it myself already. Now, do have in mind, guys, these are laminated, so you can reuse them as well as these are laminated. But do have in mind, don't use a permanent marker, because last time this is like the second time I played this, because last week I played it, but I deleted the video. So I was trying to erase everything. I accidentally took the permanent marker, and then I could not erase it. So I spent a little bit of trouble, and I got a little bit afraid. I said, did I damage my board? So I had to take like a alcohol swab, those little alcohol small swab things, and I had to like really go at it to be able to take it off. And I was afraid that it wasn't even going to come off, right? But it did. But I'm just saying, you can ruin your board. So make sure that you have one of these whiteboard dry erase markers. And I lost the other one, and I have not looked for it, because the other one has an erase and it's so easy. So basically what you do here, guys. Now, what I didn't do was, I need something to be able to mark this. How am I going to mark where I land? What do I get? Wait a minute. Guys, let me get a penny, because I don't know what to use. Okay, I found the penny. I almost used a Tic Tac. I almost used a Tic Tac. You use whatever you got available. I had a pack of Tic Tacs and I almost took out a Tic Tac and said, let's use this, because use a Tic Tac, a dry bean, a macaroni, a dry macaroni, whatever you can find. So here, that's our start. We're gonna use that penny, and then we're gonna roll our dice. We got a 2. Good Lord, 1, 2. That's a dollar. We got a quarter left. So here is our dollar. So we got a dollar, and one thing that you have to do, guys, is mark it off. Right? You take. That's why you need your dry erase marker. So you got to cross that off like we already used it. We took the dollar out the pack because, you know, we already, so we'll keep the dollar separate. Okay, we're going to risk it like a biscuit. You guys know I'm always risking it out here. Always getting IOUs. That's just the nature of my life. I just want to be out here owing everything to these games. Lord Jesus. Okay. But we can land, wait, what do we need? Because if we take one step back, we're done. Because we got to, like, I can't save another dollar. It says take one step back, right? But if it's already crossed off, like if we land on this one, it says take one step back, but we already saved that. So we just cross it off and just keep going. Because if it's not saved, then you, of course, you got to save it. But if you already saved it, then just cross it off and roll again. Because that's what we got. So we're going to be here risking it like a biscuit, y'all. We are here. Send me your good vibes. Send me your good vibes through the camera, guys, because here we go. 4. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, double the next roll. With a quarter, I got to double the what? Let me see if I know I didn't make a card for that. I didn't make a card for this, so don't go crazy in the pack looking for that, because I didn't make a card for that double the next roll. Alright, y'all. Here we go again. Here we go again. Good luck. Wait, if I don't put my penny where it goes, how am I supposed to continue to play? You see? Did I put a penny when I roll here to go down that way? But actually, when you already have it, right? When you already crossed it off, you know where you... Anyways, put the penny just in case you're like me and you're like, did I stop here where I stopped? Okay, y'all. Here we go. 6. Ooh, wait. I know some of y'all already counted the 6 spot without me even touching this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One step forward. Ooh, we got the quarter. Jesus was on our side. Today, guys, we got the quarter. Look, 125 exact. Ooh, sweet baby Jesus. Y'all saw that? Oh, no, we didn't. We gotta... No, y'all better stop. Y'all better stop. Y'all better... No, don't y'all be getting no amnesia here. Remember, it said double the next roll. So that means that we got a quarter, so it got to be 50 cents. Let me find another little thingy here and get a quarter out of my purse, because I think I got a quarter. So that's a quarter, so it's $1.50. Y'all better stop acting like y'all got amnesia. No, ma'am. It said double. It said double the next step. Stop getting amnesia. And it was 50 cents. I know some of y'all called me out before I even said that, right? You're like, no, you didn't, Marie. You owe a quarter. So... here we have it. Let me get the other quarter, guys, because if not, I'm going to forget. Y'all saw I got amnesia from here to here. Imagine me waiting a couple of days to figure out a quarter. Here we go. We got that quarter. Alright, guys, so we got $1.50, so I'm going to quit because that's all we got. If you guys want this game board, and I want to see y'all play. Like, y'all go buy this game board because I want to see y'all play. Like, come on now. Join me. Join me. If you think this is too low for you, you can get this one, the Jump the Duck. Jump the Duck is a little higher, but Jump the Duck does not come with the cards. It does not come with this, with these little cash cards. So, that's... maybe I'll do it in the future, right? If you guys want to Jump the Duck with the cards, just let me know and I'll get it done in the future. But for right now, we don't have the cards for this, the money little cards. So if you guys want the higher denomination, get the Jump the Duck. If you like me and you need it low, baby, we just had a little bit of fun there. We collect the seashells. So Y'all go buy the board and the money so that I can watch y'all play Collect the Seashells with me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I do want to watch you do the Collect the Seashells. So, guys, this is our. Oh, I put it back in the stack. No, I did not. No, okay. Take the money out because this has one for every spot. So make sure you take the money out. Let me take this out and clip it behind so that I can know. I need an envelope for this. I need an envelope for this because how am I going to save my quarters and my penny, my playing piece? My playing piece. How am I going to save this, y'all? But anyways, this is what we have. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for being a part of my community, for showing me support, guys. Go to www.lovebudgetingco.com, guys, and get your little games. Thank you so much for being so supportive, guys, and I'll catch you in our next filming session.